Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a fun holiday mani using 3 new colors from Bling Galleria. These colors are part of the new Winter Wonderland collection. Now the first color here, it's called Berry Mojito, and it is mostly a chunky glitter, and then it also has some fine aqua glitter in there as well. So it has those matte aqua glitters, red glitters, and then some gold. And then we're going to pair it with this beautiful vibrant red. This is called Ruby Red, and the name is perfect. Now check out how vibrant this red is, and it has a very slight shimmer to it. It's very subtle, but I'm obsessed with this red. It's the perfect holiday red. And then we're going to use Winter Mint. Now check out this gorgeous shimmer. It is amazing. So this is definitely your winter green mint, and the shimmer in here is simply stunning. It is a very, very fine glitter, and it lays super flat. And then here are all 3 of the colors together for that perfect retro holiday mani vibe. And then here's the whole collection. It is called the Winter Wonderland Collection. Now we are going to be making a press on set and doing the gel method. Now real quick regarding the Winter Wonderland Collection, there are so many beautiful colors in this collection. I did 2 of them in a video yesterday, and you can see them on my hand there. There is the golden leaf, which is that beautiful pure gold dip powder, and then that green is called malachite, which is part of this collection as well. And look how vibrant that red is with one dip. Isn't that insane? Now Bling Galleria has really nice full coverage dips, and the red does not stain at all. So a lot of times some reds can stain, but I've also used another red from Bling Galleria and it did not stain at all. So I do really like that about her dips, and I love how buttery and pigmented they are. And if you saw yesterday's video with the golden leaf, it was amazing with one coat as well. I was blown away. It's amazing. So this collection is awesome. It's available now. You can get, like I said, the collection in the whole set, or you can get these colors individually, which is really awesome. All right, so we're just gonna go in and dip all the nails, and then we're gonna do some fun nail art. So I will pop back in just a few moments. Alright, we're going to do some nail art here, and I'm going to use one of these nail art brushes from Sundara Nails, and we are going to place a little bit of gel polish in this little container. Normally I use a gel palette, but since I'm in the hospital, this is a little like tray thingy that had crackers in it, and I thought it would be perfect to use for the gel. So I will not be able to link that little disposable tray in the description box below because I have no idea what that is. So right now I'm going in with that brush and I'm dipping it directly into that gel base. And the longer the brush, the better, because it's going to help you get a smooth, crisp line. As you can see here, I mean, it's not the perfect line, but it's going to be way easier to create a line, and you can mostly get it with 1 or 2 strokes. And I really do like these brushes from Sundara Nails. Now, right now, I'm just going ahead and I'm taking my time and just creating these lines, and you can see I'm alternating from where I started last. And I'm just creating a really fun and unique design, and you can make this design however you want, or you can leave the nail completely as is. That's the beauty of doing our nails at home. So once we're done with the design, I'm just going to go ahead and dip gently into that dip powder because you do not want to disturb that line. I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and we're going to brush off all that sparkly goodness, and check it out. We have a really awesome design, and it's laying really flat to the nail, which is awesome. So that's just another way to make a design without the whole color blocking thing. You just want to make sure that when you are applying that gel, you are doing a super thin application, because you do not want that nail bulky at all. So now what I'm doing with the other nail, I placed gel base coat all over the entire nail, and now I'm taking that little mini orange stick and I'm just going and placing some of those circular glitters all over the nail. Now I really like the gold glitter in here. As you can see, it's the perfect circle and it's super fun, and then the other ones are like hexagon shapes. So I really like this glitter in general. I really think that the aqua matte glitter really makes this Mojito berry Mojito dip powder really pop. I think there's just something about the colors in here that are giving me like a retro Christmas vibe. I just think there's so many things you can do with this glitter that are super fun. So you can either wear it as a dip, you can do like an ombre, or you can do the little circles here like we're doing individually on the nail, which I think is super cute. So that's all we're doing for this nail. Takes a little bit of time, but yet I really like how it turned out. All right, so I will continue this process and then I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just finishing up this mani here, and how perfect is this for the holidays? I really like how it turned out. I think it's super fun with the little polka dots on there and then that little fun nail art. There's just something about that ruby red that really makes that teal and the winter mint pop. So I'm going to go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-ons, and I'll see you in the next upload.